Welcome OPOS stars. We'll start with making 3 dry curries without any oil. We'll start with 1/4 cup of water. Some of you wanted to know if a cookbot can work with zero oil. Yes, it can. So the buffer is just 1/4 cup of water. And I'm going to add 1 cup of beans on one side, 1 cup of corn on one side, 1 cup of carrots on one side. Heat, you can mix in some green chilies, chili powder or sambar powder, whatever you like. A teaspoon of salt for all of these. That's it. So I'll place this inside the pot. Change the camera angle so that you can see what's happening. Fully close this and ensure that the weight is set to seal. It should face you. And then all it takes is just one click. Click the menu. Click the veg menu. That is it. Once it is done, take it out, plate it, mix in some bottle tadka, mix in some coconut, mix in whatever you like. So you can hear the hissing at around 4 minutes. It means that the pressure is getting built up. And you'll soon hear a beep. Once you hear a beep, this will stop. It will stop flickering and the countdown will start. That is the beep at 4:45. That's it. It's gone to off mode. Let me just release the pressure now. Or move it to one side. Pressure inside, the lid will not open. Remember to close this. Coconut, mix in a bit of bottle tadka, whatever tadka you like. Try this out. Please post your validations. Thank you very much.